Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, we are going to show you how to use Google Maps, the ultimate navigation and travel guide app by Google, and how to use it. Let's get started. Google Maps is a free mapping and GPS app developed by Google. It helps you find places, get real-time directions, explore businesses, check live traffic, and even use Street View to look around neighborhood all from your phone. Now, to get started, you need to download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, tap on your App Store, then search Google Maps at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on your Google Maps and you'll have the install button right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you've opened up your app, sign in with your Google account, optional but it is recommended. Then you'll see a map of your current location and a search bar at the top of the page. Then from here you can search any locations, then make sure location access is enabled for accurate direction. To search places, type a place name, address or category like coffee near me. So search coffee near me on your search bar. Then you can see photos, reviews, hours and directions. Now to get directions, tap on a direction tab. So right here, tap on a direction tab, choose your starting point or use your current location. Then you can pick your mode, driving, walking, biking or with transit. Here are the options. Then tap start or navigating, choose your starting point and then tap start for turn by turn navigation. You can also check live traffic and route options. Google Maps shows live traffic in red, yellow, green, and tap options to avoid tolls, highways or the fastest, shortest routes. Use the bottom tab or explore button to find restaurants, gas stations, ATMs and more nearby. Tap any icon for photos, menus, ratings and directions. Tap and hold on any spot on the map, then tap image thumbnail to view the area in 360 degrees. So tap and hold, then tap the thumbnail to view the area in 360 like this. And that's a quick guide to Google Maps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. In the next video, bye.